This is a Girls Can Crate unboxing. This month is Katia Craft. I don't know who that is. This is talking about break new ground in volcanology. Let's see. So these are Girls Can Crate monthly boxes that we get. We get the 2 pack set so both kids can make the crafts. So they give you a little card, this little card. And I try to do it every month so that everybody can see the type of thing you could expect. Groundbreaking volcanologist. So again, we get 2 books, but if you only do like the 1 set, you only get 1. And these books are always really, really colorful. They'll have the story about the woman that it highlights. Usually it's like drawn things, and then you'll get some actual pictures. This is neat because it's talking about volcanoes. Usually they'll have like this little thing that you can make, not with the stuff in here, but like stuff that you have at home. So about volcano cakes, that looks delicious. And then there's like little puzzles in each of them. So you get spot the difference. Sometimes you get like crosswords, word searches, stuff like that. Here you go, matching the volcanoes. Here's the experiment. Sometimes you'll have like these 2 things like this. Cutting board, 2 cups of oil, and honey. So, you know, it's talking about viscosity. Like there's a lot of science details in them that I like. So you learn a lot. I mean, these books, it takes us a long time to go through it because there's a lot of information in them. And it's kind of like once you cover a little bit, you know, kids are like, oh, it's probably going to depend on age as well. So there we have like a little word search. And then you have the pieces of stuff that you can make with this. And they always come with everything. Very easy to follow. I have to start doing some reviews of the actual projects. We've made a couple of them just because of time and everything. But some of them aren't great. They're great ideas, but sometimes the things don't go perfect with them. So I'll have to start doing that. But here we go. We have experiment with an erupting volcano. So it looks like you make a little volcano with, I don't know, it's like baking soda or whatever. Usually it's baking soda. So, and then something with magma. I don't know. Oh, and there's 3. So, and you get a lava bracelet. That's interesting. Create your own bracelet using real lava beads. Oh, that's neat. I want to see the lava beads. So, like I said, it comes with directions. Very easy to follow. Okay, so let's look at what we got. We got little cups. We have gelatin. Those the cups. Oh, and they come with these pins that you can put on. Your first box will have a tote bag. And tote bag will have little circles, and you put these pins on for each one that you do. So that's kind of neat. It's like, you know, little patches, like Girl Scout patches, that sort of idea, I guess. Gelatin. My girls don't really care about the pins. They're sort of like, yeah, but that might be age thing too. So you got that for that magma experiment. And then look at that. Yeah, that's cute. You got these little volcanoes. Oh, that's so cute. And these are the magma beads. I was interested in that. They're heavy. So this is supposed to be from real volcano. They must like shape them, maybe. Maybe they melt them down and shape them, I'm guessing. That's interesting. They're heavy. They don't really smell like anything. Just smell like rocks. Interesting. That's cool. I'll have to read more about like what the sort of rocks are made of. I'm sure they'll be in that book. So some of the stuff I find very interesting. I mean, I always learn something about all this stuff. Little syringes. And then, yeah, so they're nice little kits. Like I said, sometimes the stuff doesn't work really well. I'll have to do some videos of that just to show you. You know, I like the sets. I like what they come with, but I think sometimes they don't actually do it's like the company doesn't do all of them to see if they work. Or like some things I think would benefit from like a hot glue gun, and I don't have one. So, yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should get one. A lot of people seem to have a lot of fun with hot glue guns. They do look like fun. So that gives you an idea about these little girls can create. I do recommend checking them out. And no matter what, you do get a lot of good information, a lot of cute stuff. It's all right here. I mean, even though the things haven't worked great, my girls have loved doing them. You know, they just like, you know, crafting and doing stuff with that and getting messy or what. Well, really, most of them aren't very messy, but or messy at all. But they like doing them and going through the books and stuff. So I think they're good.